Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video we're going to focus on Google Sheets and how to use in Google Sheets conditional formatting. So conditional formatting is really nice, and if you are used to Excel, I was very used to Excel, and then I started to search here, where can I find all these options? Luckily, Excel makes it really easy. Excel had an easy button. However, in Google Sheets you don't have, but they have conditional formatting here on format. Or, this is also nice, you can just select these values here and right click and then scroll down, you have conditional formatting. So conditional formatting is just color coding your values. And in Google Sheets it goes very fast. So let's click here on conditional formatting, and instantly it gives you some options here, and it makes it really simple. They're not that complicated options. So you can really select quickly, and based on what you see, you will understand instantly, because it will show you also instantly what will happen. A very nice function. I really like this a lot, because now you don't have to guess so much what you want, because you can see if this is exactly what you want. So imagine in our case, we have this conditional formatting, but we want to give this a color coding. We want, if we have 100 peach, or the highest value in quantity should be red, meaning we should have a low stock amount. Or we can use it as green, because we want to have a high stock amount, we have enough stock, and everything else should be lower. Or everything what's low means it's almost out of stock, so we need to pay attention on that. So how do we do that? Well, look here. You can here with a single color, you can just select any kind of color you want, but this doesn't make any sense. This is not really this is conditional formatting, but has no value for us in our case. What we want is a comparison. So we have this color scale, and then we have here the option here to select. For example, we want color codes. And right now, because we have not so many different values, we have to add some new values more. So let's select this one. You can see here. This is fine. Well, let's make this a little bit different. So I'm going to put in a 50. I'm going to put in here 35. And here we're going to put in 40, and this one we're going to put in 75, and here is 90, and this is 32. So you have some different colors, so it looks more nicer. So what we really want to do is, first, everything what is high should be green. So we can select here. This is correct. However, it must be the opposite. How do you do that? Well, simple. We say minimum value. Yes. We can give the minimum value a red color, and we say the maximum value, well, we can even give all kind of color codes you want, but not necessary for now. I'll just say our maximum value is a darker green, so it will not hurt too much the eye. I know that this red is very bright. Let's make this a slightly more softer red. Alright, that's easier to read. So you have like this. And then of course you can do here minimum value. So this says minimum value. So let's say instead of a minimum value, just have a number. If we have a stock under 25, it should be red. Yes? And maximum value is basically not really a number, so everything of 90 and above. So as you can see now, our colors are changing here accordingly. Everything what is 90 and above is positive, and then after it starts to change. So this is really nice. Now we're done here. Let's close this, and now we have this almost rainbow-like design. Very simple. You can even add a new rule, but this is really a very basic way to do it. And we can just copy this one here, and if you want to do the same here, let's say here conditional formatting, we can select our color scale, and let's see if we can find our current rule. No, I think, is there another rule? Let's select here. What is it? No, there's no other rule, so we cannot use our existing one. So we can do here exactly everything under 25, and max value is a number, everything above 90. Of course, our color coding should be red, and this should be green. There you are. So almost the same structure what we have. So this is really how it works. And I can see here only this value is here. They should not even be green. It should be things. So everything under minimum value is, I'm surprised it doesn't respond accordingly. Let's do this again. Enter and done. This should not work. However, You can see here there's some slightly changes here that we have to adjust. I think there's a double situation here. Maybe the condition is related only to 1. I realized the condition was related to 1. So we say here again 25 must be red and max number should be 90 here. Make this green. Done. There we are. So if this would be 90, now it should become green. Yes, there you are. So you could see, yes, I select only one cell. That's why we had this issue. However, so you can use your conditional formatting in Google Sheets very easy. And this is really nice because you can quickly see anything what you want to adjust, how it will look like.